A generator can offer a convenient source of backup power to your home in case of power outages or emergencies, and it also makes a great portable source of energy when camping as well. Home generators are designed to provide you with reliable power on a job site, at a campground, or during a blackout. This will ensure that you won't get stuck in the dark. So if you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products on the market. The WEN 56180 provides reliable power whenever and wherever you need it. It comes with 1800 surge watt and 1500 running watt, which enables you to run your microwave, television, sump pump, computer, refrigerator, blender, slow cooker, and more. It includes 2 AC 120 volt 3-prong wall outlets and 1 cigarette lighter style 12 volt DC outlet. Also, the low oil shutdown safeguards the 4-stroke OHV engine from damage, while the spark arrestor permits usage while camping in national parks and forests. It is equipped with EPA 3 and CARB-compliant engine, which delivers 98 cc of power with an internal air cooling system to help regulate temperature. You can fill up the 1.1 gallon gas tank for up to 7.5 hours of runtime at half load. Besides, it has included spark arrestor that permits usage in all national parks and forests. The Briggs & Stratton 30651 offers quiet and fuel-efficient 111cc OHV engine, which produces 220 starting watts and 1700 running watts. It is equipped with inverter technology, and it produces smoother power for sensitive electronics such as laptops, phones, and gaming systems. Also, it automatically adjusts the engine speed further, reducing noise, fuel consumption, and emissions. Besides, at 59 dB operating volume, it's quieter than a normal conversation, so it blends into the background of social situations. It has an H-handle design that lets one person easily move the light generator when needed, or also allows 2 people to share the load conveniently. Moreover, it provides a convenient control panel which includes 3 outlets and a USB adapter, offering enough flexibility to power a great combination of lights, music, TVs, crockpots, blenders, personal electronics, and more. The Generac 5735 GP17500E offers 16-gallon fuel tank that runs the generator for up to 10 hours at a half load. It has a 992cc engine that runs on gasoline to provide dependable power and contains a circuit breaker which helps to protect the generator and connected appliances from damage. Also, it comes with automatic shutoff when oil levels are low to help prevent engine damage, and never flat wheel kit, and lifting eye makes transporting the generator easy. Besides, the electric start provides push-button power-up, battery included, and the muffler offers quiet operation. Moreover, the hardened steel frame gives the generator cradles enough added strength and is a premium 1¼ inch thick and a full 1/4 inch thicker in diameter than competitors' models. The Honda EU2000i can operate a wide variety of appliances, making it perfect for portable use at home, camping, on the job site, or much more. It's powered by the Honda GXR 120 Commercial Series engine and delivers hushed, smooth, fuel-efficient performance in a small, lightweight package. It operates at 48 to 57 dBA, which is less noise than a normal conversation, and makes it ideal for camping, supplemental RV power, and any other activity that requires a quiet operation. Also, it uses automatic mechanical decompressor system, significantly reducing the amount of force needed to start the engine. Besides, it is protected by oil alert, which protects the generator by shutting the engine off when it detects that the oil is low. It provides a fuel off position that allows the engine to continue to run until the majority of the fuel in the carburetor is consumed and the engine shuts off. In at first place among the list of best home generators, we have the WEN 56200i. You can maximize fuel economy by engaging the Eco mode, allowing the generator's motor to adjust its fuel consumption automatically. It weighs in at a mere 48 pounds with a convenient carrying handle to maximize portability. It comes with total harmonic distortion of less than 1.2% off from a pure sine wave, and the WEN 2000 watt inverter handles even the most sensitive electronics. Also, the low oil and low fuel automatic shutdown with indication lights along with overload protection, which safeguards both your generator and your electronics from damage. Moreover, the lightweight design makes for easy portability, while the ultra-efficient 1-gallon tank provides over 6 hours of half-load runtime. Thanks for watching. These are the best home generators in the market. If you liked what you saw, go ahead and like the video. The bell icon helps you to get notified every time we post a new video.